New photos of Prince Andrew at the home of Jeffrey Epstein in 2010 are raising questions. The billionaire financier committed suicide in jail while waiting to be tried on sex trafficking charges. CTV's Paul Workman has more.
Really quite a strenuous statement in the name of Prince Andrew issued by Buckingham Palace, trying to put, I think, some distance between Andrew and Jeffrey Epstein. And they've been friends or were friends for quite a long time. So the palace essentially said said that the Duke of York was quite appalled by the recent reports of Jeffrey Epstein's alleged crimes. It went on to say His Royal Highness deplores the exploitation of any human being and the suggestion that he would condone, participate in, or encourage any such behavior is abhorrent. So really, that's the strongest statement yet coming from Prince Andrew about this scandal. He's been engulfed in it, of course. We've seen photos of him with some of the younger women who were at Jeffrey Epstein's home, and of this latest video of him standing at the front door in December 2010, waving at an unidentified woman who was leaving, really adds more questions to Prince Andrew's relationship with Jeffrey Epstein.
TV's Paul Workman in London.